How to allow Snapchat to use your camera. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to allow Snapchat to use your camera. So when you open up your Snapchat and you see interface something like this, then it means you've simply not enabled camera or you've not allowed permission in order to take pictures and photos on Snapchat. So if you see the notification something like this, then all you have to do is just tap the turn on button. As soon as you do that, there will be a pop-up so you can see when you actually want to use your cameras. Then just go ahead and tap on. While using this app, the camera is only going to be used when you're using Snapchat. So in this way you can allow Snapchat to use a camera. However, if you are not able to see the particular message on your homepage, then what you have to do is the other thing is that you can simply long press on your Snapchat and go to the app info page. From here, you'll be able to see all sort of details. Go to permission. So over here, if you've not allowed camera, then this might be one of the reasons why you're unable to allow Snapchat to use your camera. As soon as you enable the camera or allow the camera to be used on your Snapchat, then you'll be able to use your camera and take videos and photos on Snapchat. So in this way you can allow Snapchat to use your camera. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.